Welcome to the DTSC Training Center. This is the user manual for the general functions, developed by the Office of Training. Single sign-on. To access the new Employee Training Center, click on the icon below on the Training SharePoint site. When you're logged on, click here and sign in below. Basic functions. The welcome page. This screen shows you your assigned training. Training that can be assigned by your supervisor or the Employee Training Center system administrator. Your interests and waitlist tracking. This will display any training for which you are waitlisted. Your upcoming sessions. This displays all your future trainings and their statuses. A calendar which you can use simply by clicking on the date to see any sessions scheduled for that month. From the Home tab, you can access your scheduled tasks, announcements, and your universal profile. Simply select any option to see what is there. Here's the universal profile screen. It displays basic information about you. You can also access your transcript from here. For supervisors, you can access information about your employees. You can add information about your interests, such as rock climbing, reading, history, etc. You can also indicate what training subjects interest you. For example, leadership or interpersonal skills training. Simply click on the Edit button to add an interest or a subject. Accessing your transcript. From the Learning tab, select View Your Transcript and you will go to the screen. It defaults to showing you your active training. Active training lists all those courses that have a completion status other than completed, such as registered, no-show, or canceled. There are three types of training records you can view in your transcript. Number 1, active. This includes all the training that is not completed, such as canceled, registered, no-show, etc. Number 2, completed. This includes all completed training courses. Number 3, archived. There are no records in this category. Note, a course's status of completed will not always be accurate. During data migration, we were limited to only certain values for the status field. If you see a course listed as completed that you know is incorrect, please contact us at training@dtsc.ca.gov and let us know so we can update your records. You can sort your transcript in several ways as indicated below. Under the Options pull-down menu, you have two options for producing a report: Print Transcript and Run Transcript Report. Select Print Transcript from the Options pull-down menu. Here's what a list of completed courses will look like. Click Print to get a copy. The Print Transcript option will provide you with either active or completed trainings, but not both. To view more information about a course, click on the title and it will take you to the training details. Here's the training details screen. Note, there are two fields related to the status of the training. There is the completion status and the status field. Please refer to the completion status as this will have the correct information. The complete status is the correct status. The status itself may not be the correct status. Refer to the note on slide 10. To run a full report, select Run Transcript Report from the Options pull-down menu. Click Run Report to initiate the report. You will see a pop-up message like the one below at the bottom of the screen. Click Open. A second pop-up message will appear asking if you want to open the file. Click Yes and the report will open. You will see an Excel spreadsheet like the one below. Producing a report from this option will give you a report with all your training, active and completed. Using the calendar of events. From the Learning tab, you can access the events calendar. This is what the events calendar will look like. You can click on a class to get more details, view the roster, or check prerequisites. There are filters you can use to find specific training sessions. You can filter by title, location, contact, or instructor. The location will default to your specific location. If you want to view all sessions, click on the X next to the given location. Hold the arrow over the session title and additional information will appear. Click on the session and it will bring you to the training detail screen. From this screen, you can request or assign training. If the request box does not appear, that means you are either already registered for a different session of the training or the training date has passed. To search for training, use the Browse for Training function from the Learning pull-down menu. It will bring you to a list of all upcoming events, i.e. courses. You can use the search parameters on the left to further refine your search. From the Training Detail screen, you can request, i.e. register, for session class. For supervisors, you can use this screen to assign training to your employees. After you request the session, it will appear on your transcript under Active Training. You can withdraw to cancel a session. If you have canceled a session, you can select a different one. You can view training details to get more information about the session. Here's the Training Detail screen. It provides basic information about the session. From here, you can choose to view student roster. Here's the Training Detail screen with the View Student Roster. From the Training Detail screen, you can also click Add to Calendar to have the training posted to your Outlook calendar. After you click Add to Calendar, this screen will appear. Click Save and Close and the training will be posted to your Outlook calendar. In the upper right corner of the screen under My Account, you can indicate you are out of office, select a time zone, select a signature style, or use options to change your password or share access permissions with your employees. The help will provide you with the information pertaining to the screen or page you are accessing. Here's what the help feature will provide related to the welcome page. You can also view the context and index outlines to find information.